Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to invite friends in Rocket League Sideswipe. To do this, you will need to press on this friend list right here, then at the bottom add epic friend, and here just start writing your friend nickname. And then add friend. And now the friend invite should show up right here, then press accept, and as you can see, I have it in my friend list. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.